Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 Range Rover HSE, the luxury edition. The color is black metallic with black leather interior. The luxury edition gives you much nicer appointments on the interior, different leather, different seats, a lot of different features. It's about a $5,000 option when it was new. This has the 20-inch wheels. Very nice body condition. It's not dinged or scratched up at all. Very straight down the sides. This has a rear view camera and parking sensors. Split tailgate. Has a full-size spare. So look at the rear seats. Leather's beautiful. Rear climate control and heated seats. Has our rear entertainment screens. Here's a look at the interior and the dashboard. That's what it looks like when it's off. It's keyless start. Just push the button. There we go. This is factory navigation. It's the backup camera and the backup sensors. Left and right climate control, and has heated front seats, and they are cooled as well. Rain sensing wipers. Here's the controls for the suspension. All different type of road conditions. You just dial it for snow or desert or off-road. And these are the suspension settings as far as height. You can lower it for loading, and the center is normal, and then you can raise it for like bad winter weather or off-road. There's the steering wheel controls. Leather dashboard. Gorgeous interior. Shut it off. There we go. Here we are back on the outside. The side mirrors are power folding. Really cool headlights, and they are very functional. You can see very well at night with these headlights. It's a V8 5-liter. Naturally, it's all-wheel drive. These vehicles were around $90,000 when new, so they're really a good value now. Most of the body's aluminum, so you don't have to worry about rust. Thank you for looking in, and we hope to hear from you soon.